So hello everyone. Today the date is 15th August 2024 and I want to share my journey of UPSC till now. So let's see. So these are all the points which I had written now so that I don't have to write in the video. So finally I decided to prepare for UPSC in January 2024 after analyzing that I didn't have that much interest in coding and all that thing. So I finally decided to prepare completely for this in January 2024. And then this was the time when our second semester of MTech had started. So it was quite hectic because we had to attend the classes also, and the subjects were also quite difficult. So uh, so along with the classes and all those things of semester work, I started watching lectures of toppers, means toppers talk, so that I can get an idea of how to begin the preparation and what to avoid and what to follow. So I started watching toppers talk, and also along with watching the talk, I started taking note of important point and also the standard books which are suggested by the toppers. So I will show you my notes which I had taken during the toppers talk. So let's see. This is the toppers talk video, and here is the resource list. So these are all the resource list and all the important points which are suggested by the toppers. So they are in large quantity. So these are all the things. And so after this, all these things, because our second semester was till my first week. So till my first week I had done this part only, like proper stock and watching all the things and making notes. So overall it was the getting idea of how to approach, how to start the preparation. So on 4th May our semester work was over. Final paper of second semester was over, and then I had taken a week of break because we had our that farewell party, and also I had watched a lot of movie in those week. So this was a break time for me. And then after that, around 10th May I started reading NCRTs of history from class 6th onward, and I found that I was understanding all the things, but there is a gap between the concepts and I was not getting in-depth idea of the concepts. So I started watching the lectures of Pratik Nayak sir from YouTube. He is an academy tutor, and so I found that I am able to understand and found the connection between the concepts in history. So all these things goes almost for 15 days, and around 27th May I purchased the subscription of Unacademy, and from then onwards only my actual preparation begins. And then I think on 27th May I had purchased the subscription of Unacademy, and around 1 or 2 days I had completely explored Unacademy app, that is what's all are there on Unacademy, and what's means how to get the access of videos, how to watch and how to get notes, and everything I had explored. And then I started my preparation from geography portion by Sudarshan Gurjar sir. So I started with my physical geography part, and I had made complete detailed. I think it consists of around 40 lectures, and each lecture consists of each lecture is of 2 hours. So it was around 80 hours lecture. So it had taken me around 15 days. It had taken around 15 days to complete my lectures, all those lectures along with revision. I had done a revision in between these 2-3 times, means I had gone through, because I made my notes in such a manner that it's look like a story, so that it is easier for me to understand the concepts, but by just reading like a story. So I had revised it 2-3 times in between this, and completed these 40 lectures of around 80 hours in almost 15 days. Around, I think I started 27th, or I had started around 28th of May, and I had completed it I think around 13th or 14th of June. In between, there is some project means MTP work also. So I will show you my physical geography notes. Let's see. This is geography and this is physical geography part. So this is all the 40 lectures. Answer writing part. So this is the physical geography part, and then after completing the physical geography, I started with Indian geography part, and it also takes around 12 to 13 days. And then after completing this Indian geography part, I had started with my world geography. World geography I think Indian geography had a one. Let's see. Indian geography had 34 lectures, and I had completed it around 25 June. Means this 25 June I had completed my Indian geography part. Means it has taken around 10 to 12 days. So after that I have started with my world geography part, and world geography part consists of I think 19 lectures, and I have started it on 26th of my June, and I completed this world geography part on around 4th of July. So but I had gone through the means after completing my lectures I had gone through this, but this part mainly contains the factual data, so I hadn't remembered it, but I had gone through these lectures and made the notes. And then after that I had started with human and economic geography. It had taken me around 2-3 days to complete these lectures. It consists of 10 lectures. And then after that I had started with my history and polity part. These are lengthy lectures, means consist of 3 hours, and also it was taking more time. Means I think I had given, after completing on 7th or 8th July 2024 this human and economic geography part. Around I think I had given 15 days for this polity and history part. And because I was not understanding history part, it was quite, I will not say difficult, but the Pratik Nayak sir is teaching not properly giving the detailed notes. Means he is giving very detailed notes, and let's say I will do anyhow. But after that, around watching for 15 days, I had completed lectures of around 30 hours of both. And this was the time when I think I had wasted some of my time. And then we all shifted from Gaurang to Disang hostel, and then it takes me 2-3 days, almost I will say 5 days to just came to my original pace. So in between this I watched some movies also, and then studied some also. But after that I had started this environment and ecology part. And from I will say I started on 25th of July, and today is 15th of August. I had completed all the lectures yesterday only, that is on 14th August. So around I will say 20 days I had given for environment and ecology part. It is a lengthy subject, so it has taken this much time. It consists of around 40 lectures. So this was all the things which I had done till now. It's almost I think around 2.5 month preparation, 2.5 months serious preparation, and almost I had completed all part of geography, that is physical geography, Indian geography, world geography, human and economic geography, and also the environment and ecology part. One part that is left is the disaster management part, and it is a means oriented topic. So and it consists of only 10 lectures of 20 hours. So I can complete it after revising all those things, actually remembering all the facts and data, and then that course will be beneficial. So I am thinking now to start with that is now resume my polity part, and so that I can complete it. And because these are all the basic subject, which I can go through. So I am now thinking of starting with my polity part. So let's see.